Is your desk sprouting more cables than a sci-fi monster? Fear not, Anker's got your back with this dynamic duo of surge protector power strips. Each one flexes 12 outlets plus a USB-C and 2 USB ports to keep your brand new iPhone 15 family fully fueled with 2,100 joules of surge protection. You can say bye-bye to power spikes. And thanks to the 5-foot extension cord, you can finally reach that awkward corner outlet without playing Twister. The best part? You're snagging 2 of these bad boys. So, click that buy button now and let your devices bask in VIP level power and protection. Your cable chaos will thank you. That's it for me. So long, and thanks for all the fish.